Hi, and welcome to the show. Today we're going to go over part two of stocks that can benefit from blockchain technology. And part one were pretty easy ones that you might be familiar with. Part two, I'm going to tell you ones that you might want to research and study that can be more that you haven't really heard of. So you might want to investigate and do further studies. So let's start into it. Okay, so Bank of America, MasterCard, there's a lot of apps. I told you Cash App, such as the Square and Venmo and PayPal are getting to cryptocurrency wallet holding. And then the banks are getting to it. So Bank of America and that's a bank, and then MasterCard is the credit card company. So do take a look at those because you're familiar with them enough to look at those. So I'll give you a couple that you may or may not have heard of. Alibaba, that is considered like, China's version of Amazon. And there's just so many incredible things about Alibaba, even though tensions are high right now. So do your due diligence. Disclaimer, I don't recommend stocks. I'm not a licensed broker, but I just give you cliff notes in case you want to research and study what could go into your portfolio to grow your money. So Alibaba, it's they do a lot of patents, which people don't know about. And they, always invest in good companies, and they are looking to get into blockchain technology. So do take a look at that because it has the advantage as the most patented company in the blockchain world. Okay, so if I'm interested in blockchain and Alibaba has the most patents, that could be amazing. And Bitcoin is like, what, $12,000? So you're saying, well, I can't buy a Bitcoin right now because they're $12,000. I'm scared of buying Bitcoin Cash. I'm scared of buying Ethereum. I just don't know about crypto market, but everyone's just loving it. And it's cryptocurrency right now is the eighth wonder of the world. I told you guys that. So, do study and really investigate these stocks and ways to get into, and that's one of your goals, meeting with your licensed broker, your investing strategies and getting the cryptocurrency. A lot of investors who said, oh, Bitcoin's not good. Well, they're recommending it now. And Warren Buffett, they said that he's looking to buy gold, a quote unquote, look in the details, because everyone's saying he's buying gold, Barrett. So make sure the details are there, because some people don't read the details and it could be not correct. So you always have to do your due diligence and go to where the company is. Go to his investor relations website to get the news yourself. Don't rely on anyone. So Overstock.com, a lot of you use this site to buy and shop. We love shopping, especially if you're using your any of your apps that pay you back, cash apps, rewards, get your points, and always pay your credit cards off before the interest is charged. So you're just getting the rewards from using it. Be a smart mogul. Think like the wealthy do. Okay, so Overstock, they're the first online retail business to accept crypto venture. So they were the first U.S. retailer to accept Bitcoin as a method of payment. So there you go. Overstock accepts Bitcoin as payment. So I'm going to give you, this one is interesting. You might not have heard of it. So it's Fujitsu, Fujitsu, Fujitsu. It is not a film company, the photography company. A lot of people think, what? No. So why I'm telling you this one, it's the 7th largest IT service provider. So, if you're the 7th largest IT service provider, tech age, fintech, cryptocurrency, we are in a disruptive age in the world. We're witnessing going from oil cars, gas cars to electric cars. Things are changing. We're going from cashless. Nobody wants your cash. You've got to have a wallet that holds cryptocurrency. So, those are the Squares and the PayPals, and the banks and credit card companies they're all jumping in the bandwagon. Okay, we better accept crypto or we're going to be left out, in my opinion. So they're their initiatives in blockchains, they developed and transferred settlement systems for Japanese Bankers Association, and they opened the Blockchain Innovation Center in Belgium. So diversification is key. So wow, they have the Blockchain Innovation Center in Belgium. So that's Fujitsu. So so you do have to do your due diligence in those areas, study, see if you know what the debt is, cash, what's their profits the last 5 years, who's the CEO, how things are going. Don't just dive into anything without looking at the white papers. You have to learn to read these things. Okay, True Trace Technologies. This is a Canadian stock. We have listeners from all around the world. Welcome, Canadian listeners, Switzerland, Brazil, USA. Welcome, everybody. So, this one develops blockchain software for the cannabis sector through Strain Secure. Wow. So so that could be very interesting. And you know what I like about this one, True Trace Technologies? It has strategic partners: Shoppers Drug Mart, Deloitte, Afra, Tilray, Segra International, and Andita. And Shoppers Drug Mart is the largest pharmacy chain in Canada. So that could be very interesting. Very interesting. Okay, so I'm going to now tell you some that are a little bit more in-depth, kind of a little hard. Okay, so I'm going to tell you this one. RESAAS Services. RESAAS Services. Okay, so RSS. So you might have to go to the OTCQB. And it might be under RSASF. So, so that's a real estate cloud-based one. Also, in case you're interested, that's pretty interesting. Let's see, Northern Data. This one is really interesting to me. Northern Data, NB2. It was before its name was Northern Bitcoin. So, Northern Data is a Bitcoin mining establishment. And it runs off of hydropower, and they do green mining technology. So, and it's the data center is in Norway, like Norway mountains. So it runs over 210 miners. And it built its own mining pool. So that one could be very interesting. And it also is doing a collaboration with Canaan, CANAAN, and ticker symbol is CAN. So yeah, so that one might be something exciting if you're really liking blockchain, because Canaan is one of the leading blockchain technology companies in the world. So, so that's going to be AI development, blockchain technology, and data center operations. So do check out Northern Data, and that one could be very interesting. So Limeworks, this is an American company, and Limeworks, you know, computers, downloads, advertising. So that could be something interesting. Limeworks Networks, LLNW. Okay, so I'm going to tell you these two you may have heard of because of blockchain's popularity. Hive Blockchain. That's Hive Blockchain. And so I want you to kind of really study this one, because Hive Blockchain, so ticker symbol Hive, they have a goal to connect blockchain and cryptocurrencies to the traditional capital markets. And it did get regulatory approval to release its ASIC capacity of 50%. So, you know, it's reaching their mining capacity of 300 petahashes. That's PETAHASHES. And they do mines, cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, Ethereum. So that could be very interesting. And they're saying in their last quarter reports in March, their net income in the US was $3.4 million from income from digital currency mining. In the US of $5 million, and it mined approximately 127 Bitcoins, roughly 23,000 Ethereum, and roughly 33,000 Ethereum Classic. So Hive blockchain stock, do take a look at that one. And Digital X, so that's DCC. This one is they do Bitcoin, you know, cryptocurrency advising, coin advising, token advising, Air Pocket, and Air Pocket allows the secure transfer of funds, and then it runs an unlisted fund on top of the crypto assets. And it also operates Coincast Media, a blockchain media service that provides news and educational content. So that could be very interesting. And it launched a Bitcoin fund. So so definitely take a look at the Digital X. And there is something that's like a Bitcoin, the Grayscale. People are asking about Grayscale. Now there is the Bitcoin, it's called the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, and BTC. So there is a fee with that, so it costs a premium. I was looking at that, but they're saying caution, you know, because it has a big fee. But you know, it enables investors to get exposure to the movement of Bitcoin, and so you know, you just gotta see if you're interested in that. But okay, so I'll just tell you a little bit more. Greystone Trust, it's a digital currency investment product, and it, you know, if you don't have money to buy Bitcoin, you can buy this Grayscale Bitcoin Trust at a cost. They charge a fee, so there's a fee. So it's not an ETF, it's called a trust, and like a private placement. So, and it's traded in the OTCQX, over-the-counter market, and it has approximately, in 2009 it had about, well, it probably has a lot now, around 2 billion in assets. So, but that probably has gone up because Bitcoin has gone up so much. So it's, the disadvantages of that is that there's the fee, the annual fee, and the risks associated with, you know, the cryptocurrency market, even though Bitcoin looks like it's staying up or gonna like stay up even though it goes down. So, you know, you got this big fee with it. So if you're interested in that and that's what you're interested in, great job. Consult your financial advisor, your accountant, and do enjoy some of the links below. Get your free stock at Robinhood. It's so easy to use to buy and sell on there, and you get a free stock. Then Public, that's one of my new favorites. It's on your phone. You can follow people and you get to pick your own stock. So you don't even have to link your bank account to get that one. You just sign up like your social, it's like a social media app called Public. And you just sign up. You don't even link your bank account, and you get to pick the stock you want. And then the Webull will give you one free stock for just signing up, and then the second one if you deposit $100. Enjoy those. Thank you for your reviews. Thank you for using my links, and we really appreciate your support for the channel, and have a really great day.